I'm the founder and CEO here at the Smith Investigation Agency. And today we're just going through some different scams, that we've seen out there. So this is one that we actually got about a month ago. And I thought we put a video out on it, but we put a blog out on it right away. We want to ultimately make content as fast as possible so that we get it out to you so that you don't fall prey to these scams, because some of them are just blatantly ridiculous, right? So it says R Ripley and then ultimately R Ripley at tmfiler.ca. So that's the address that it comes through, and it comes through to me at my company email address. Dear the Smith Investigation Agency, I trust this email finds you well. This is the final notice. So one thing you can also pull out right away, AI, especially if somebody uses like a ChatGPT, it will keyword certain keywords. It's going to give like a black kind of bolded thing too. So, you can look at that almost right away and think, okay, hold on a second. This person may have used ChatGPT to ultimately put this email together. This is a final notice regarding the trademark application for the Smith Investigation Agency. As previously communicated, there's no period after the name. So if this was from a legitimate lawyer, this wouldn't have grammatical errors. As previously communicated, another party has initiated the trademark filing for this name. However, after conducting a detailed investigation, we discovered that they are a new startup with only a few months of usage of the name. On the other hand, your business has a well-established and proven history using this name for a longer period. So to debunk that right away, if you have your name registered, nobody else can register it. Like the system wouldn't allow you to have a name that has a likeness shared to another one out there. As per our company's policy, we're offering you first priority to file for the trademark, given your legitimate and proven use of the name. However, time is of the essence, and we require a response within 24 hours to proceed with the filing. So again, all scams, and we say this in all of our content, watch through our videos, you'll see when we talk about scams, they always have this sense of urgency that they try and put out there to scare you into not using logic and wisdom when it comes to something that's going on. If you choose to proceed, we will immediately file your trademark application with the CIPO to ensure full protection of your rights and ownership of the name. If we do not hear from you, we will proceed with the other party's filing, as CIPO follows a first come, first served policy. If the other party successfully registers the trademark, they will gain exclusive rights to the name, and you will no longer have the legal right to use it under Canada's Trademarks Act. This could lead to potential trademark infringement claims, legal penalties, financial damages, and even a lawsuit for continued use of the name. Furthermore, the other party may issue a cease and desist order, severely disrupting your business operations. We strongly urge you to take swift action to protect your rights. If we do not hear from you within 24 hours, we will proceed with the other party's application, as we cannot hold the filing indefinitely. If you have any questions or would like to proceed, please reply to this email or contact me directly at our front desk. Lists the phone number. Please provide your full name and business name to the operator so they can connect you with me. We look forward to your prompt response and action. Best regards. And it puts, essentially, this is a business card that they've probably created on like Canva in the bottom. So it might, to somebody looking at it, that looks like, intellectual property attorney, like it looks correct, because ultimately they did build a fake business card. We're just going to try and go through here and see what we can find. The first thing we pop up if we put that in there is Ross Ripley's post. So all these things that pop up. So Mr. Ripley is a real individual. Today, it's my turn to be impersonated by trademark scammers. Several good Samaritans have told me that they received fake emails purportedly from me, sent from a non-Gowling domain, asking them to pay for trademark services. This is a scam, and I am being impersonated, and it's not just me. Please ignore these emails and watch out there. So, Law Society is the one who basically, put that blog out there. And we created a blog right away. And we, again, try to put that information in so that ultimately if somebody is going to be scammed, they can put that identifying information in there and just look it up and see if the scam is true or not. And ultimately it was not. Ultimately, Mr. Ripley, these can definitely look real, having that business card in there and, having phone numbers and saying, talk to my operator and yada, yada, they can seem real, but, you can just dismiss this right away. Again, pulling a little detail out of there, like that phone number right away pulls up to, Mr. Ripley, the real Mr. Ripley's response in saying, hey, this is fake and I'm being impersonated. So just do your due diligence if anything gets sent to you like this. So, pull some of that information, pull that phone number, pull emails, as much information as possible so that you can look it up and just verify yourself. But do us a favor, please don't fall for these kind of scams, sending these people money, clicking on links that are hazardous and, can cause issues with, your devices. So we just want to keep you as protected as possible here at the Smith Investigation Agency.